Sipa!
Harangan mo kasi!
Ang lakas yung paano na. Nakita mo, Kamuning? Hindi maharang mo isa, oh. Ang gagaling nila maglaro ng soccer, ano, Luis?
Pero... hindi nyo natatanong eh. Magaling din ako maglaro ng soccer.
Talaga, Luis?
Of course! I'm the captain of our soccer team. Hello. This is a soccer ball.
Oh, sige nga, Luis.
Ha?
Pakitaan mo nga kami ng galing mo.
Sure. Let's play soccer.
Ang galing mo pala talagang maglaro ng soccer, Luis.
Salamat, Porfirio. Ang sarap maglaro. I love playing soccer. I like it.
Masaya kasing gawin. It's fun.
It's fun to play soccer. Run, block, and kick. It's fun to play the guitar. Play my favorite song and sing. I do many things to have fun. I do things because they are fun.
It's fun to play the saxophone. It's fun to talk on the phone with my friends and loved ones. I do many things to have fun. I do things because they are fun.
We do many things to have fun. We do things because they're fun.
Read it, speak it,